Building an aircraft in a garage or workshop may sound impossible, but aviation enthusiasts around the world have turned ambitious dreams into reality. From rugged bush planes to sleek, high-performance machines, these amateur-built aircraft prove that creativity and engineering passion can take flight. In this list, we explore 10 incredible home-built airplanes that are not only real, but are actively flying today. Prepare to discover unique designs, surprising capabilities, and aircraft that challenge everything you thought was possible. The Van's RV-15 is bringing a fresh perspective to amateur-built aviation by combining the freedom of home building with the versatility of a backcountry aircraft. As the first high-wing model in the RV lineup, it is designed for pilots who want to explore remote destinations without giving up everyday practicality. Its rugged, all-metal construction, spacious cabin, and excellent visibility make it well-suited for adventure flying as well as comfortable cross-country trips. The aircraft is expected to deliver short takeoff and landing performance while maintaining an efficient cruise speed, making it a flexible choice for a wide range of flying missions. Van's aircraft has also focused on simplifying the building process through pre-punched parts and modern construction methods, helping enthusiasts complete their projects with greater ease. The RV-15 represents an exciting evolution in experimental aviation, offering builders a capable, reliable, and adventure-ready aircraft built for exploring beyond traditional airports. The Sling TSi is a modern kit aircraft that showcases how advanced engineering and practical design can come together in a home-built airplane. Designed for pilots seeking speed, efficiency, and comfort, this four-seat aircraft is powered by a turbocharged Rotax 916IS engine with full FADEC, providing smooth and reliable performance. It reaches a cruise speed of around 155 knots, offers an impressive range of up to 1,000 nautical miles, and can climb to a service ceiling of 23,000 feet. Inside, the spacious cabin features Garmin G3X Touch avionics, comfortable seating, and generous baggage space for longer journeys. Built from CNC-punched aircraft-grade aluminum, the Sling TSi is designed to simplify the building process while maintaining strength and durability. With responsive handling, excellent visibility, and efficient fuel consumption, it highlights how today's kit aircraft deliver advanced technology, long-distance capability, and an enjoyable flying experience for aviation enthusiasts. The Zenith CH 750 is a unique home-built aircraft designed for pilots who enjoy exploring places that are difficult to reach with conventional airplanes. Built for exceptional short takeoff and landing performance, it can operate from grass fields, gravel runways, and other remote airstrips with confidence. Its high-wing design, fixed tricycle landing gear, full-span leading-edge slats, and large flaperons provide excellent low-speed handling and stable flight characteristics. Constructed with an all-metal airframe, the CH 750 is known for its durability and builder-friendly assembly process, making it a popular choice among aviation enthusiasts. The spacious cabin offers comfortable seating, outstanding visibility, and useful baggage capacity for weekend adventures or cross-country trips. Builders can also choose from several compatible engine options to match their flying needs. Combining rugged capability, practical design, and impressive versatility, the Zenith CH 750 continues to inspire pilots who dream of building and flying their own aircraft. The Sonex Highwing brings a fresh approach to home-built aviation by combining modern engineering with the classic advantages of a high-wing design. Built as a two-seat, all-metal kit aircraft, it is designed to meet light sport aircraft requirements while giving builders a practical and enjoyable project. Its clean cantilever wing eliminates external struts, improving both visibility and aerodynamic efficiency. The spacious 42-inch wide cabin offers added comfort for recreational flights and longer cross-country journeys. Pilots can choose between taildragger and tricycle landing gear, making the aircraft suitable for different flying preferences. Following its successful first flight in 2025, the Sonex Highwing demonstrated stable handling and the responsive performance the brand is known for. With its balance of simplicity, versatility, and efficient design, this aircraft opens new opportunities for aviation enthusiasts who want to build and fly their own capable high-wing airplane while enjoying the rewarding experience of amateur-built aviation. The Kitfox Series 7 stands out as one of the most versatile home-built aircraft ever created, attracting aviation enthusiasts who enjoy both adventure and customization. Designed for builders who want flexibility, this aircraft combines a strong steel tube fuselage with lightweight aluminum wings and durable fabric covering, creating a balance of strength and efficiency. One of its most recognizable features is the folding wing design, making storage and transportation much easier than many traditional aircraft. Builders can choose between tailwheel or tricycle landing gear and select from several compatible engine options to match their flying style. The spacious side-by-side cockpit offers excellent visibility and comfort for recreational flights, cross-country travel, or backcountry adventures. With impressive short takeoff and landing capability, generous baggage space, and practical design, the Kitfox Series 7 continues to inspire pilots who value freedom, performance, and the rewarding experience of building an aircraft tailored to their own aviation dreams. The Aero Aventura II is a unique home-built aircraft designed for pilots who want the freedom to fly from both land and water. Featuring a high-wing design, pusher-propeller configuration, and a lightweight flying boat hull, it offers a distinctive look and practical amphibious capability. Built for two people, the aircraft provides excellent visibility, making every flight more enjoyable whether cruising over lakes, rivers, or scenic landscapes. It is compatible with reliable Rotax engine options, delivering efficient performance for recreational flying. One of its biggest attractions is its builder-friendly kit, allowing aviation enthusiasts to assemble the aircraft themselves and experience the satisfaction of flying something they built. The Aventura II has earned a reputation among adventure seekers who enjoy reaching destinations that traditional aircraft cannot easily access. By combining versatility, innovation, and the excitement of amphibious flight, this aircraft represents the adventurous spirit of experimental aviation and personal freedom in the skies. The Jabiru J170 is a lightweight aircraft built for pilots who value simplicity, efficiency, and the joy of flying. Designed as a two-seat high-wing aircraft, it offers excellent visibility and stable handling, making every flight comfortable and enjoyable. Its composite airframe keeps the aircraft light while maintaining strength, contributing to reliable performance and lower operating costs. Powered by the Jabiru 2200 engine, the J170 delivers dependable power for recreational flying, flight training, and personal travel. The spacious side-by-side cockpit provides a practical and comfortable environment for both pilot and passenger, while the fixed landing gear and straightforward design make maintenance easier for owners. Built with a focus on affordability and accessibility, the J170 reflects the spirit of general aviation by giving enthusiasts a capable aircraft without unnecessary complexity. Whether exploring local skies or building flying experience, the Jabiru J170 continues to be a practical choice for aviation enthusiasts worldwide. The Zenith CH 650 is a lightweight kit aircraft created for aviation enthusiasts who enjoy both building and flying their own airplane. Its stylish low-wing layout gives it a modern appearance while providing smooth handling and a comfortable flying experience. Designed with a durable all-metal structure and precision-made parts, the aircraft is easier to assemble for amateur builders without sacrificing quality. The roomy side-by-side cockpit offers comfort for pilot and passenger, and the available baggage space makes it practical for weekend trips or cross-country travel. Owners can select from different engine options to match their preferred level of performance and efficiency. The CH650 is appreciated for its balanced controls, stable flight characteristics, and versatile design, making it suitable for both new and experienced pilots. More than just an aircraft, it reflects the spirit of personal aviation by allowing builders to create a plane that matches their own goals, skills, and passion for flight from the ground up. The I.C.P. Ventura is an Italian light aircraft designed for aviation enthusiasts who dream of personal flying adventures. Created by I.C.P. Aviation, this two-seat aircraft combines practical design, modern styling, and efficient performance in a compact package. Its high wing configuration provides excellent visibility and contributes to a stable and comfortable flight experience. Built with a focus on simplicity and lightweight construction, the Ventura offers pilots an enjoyable aircraft that is easy to operate and maintain. The spacious cockpit, balanced handling, and adaptable design make it suitable for sightseeing, recreational flying, and experimental aviation projects. Like many amateur-built aircraft, the Ventura allows owners to experience the satisfaction of creating and flying their own machine. With its Italian engineering approach and focus on freedom, reliability, and accessibility, the I.C.P. Ventura represents the true spirit of personal aviation and the excitement of exploring the skies. The Cri-Cri MC-15 is one of the smallest twin-engine aircraft ever built, proving that great aviation ideas can come in very small packages. Designed by French engineer Michel Colombin, this unique aircraft was created for lightweight and affordable personal flying. With its tiny body, compact wings, and two small engines mounted at the front, the Cri-Cri looks almost like a large model airplane, yet it is a fully functional aircraft. Built mainly by home builders, it represents creativity, simplicity, and smart engineering. Despite its miniature size, the Cri-Cri can achieve impressive speeds and offers a fascinating flying experience. Its unusual design has made it a legend among experimental aircraft enthusiasts around the world. The MC-15 Cri-Cri shows that innovation is not always about building something bigger, but sometimes about creating something completely different. This tiny aircraft remains one of aviation's most memorable achievements.